Stacey Solomon and Mrs Hinch cozied up at Pickle Cottage, leaving her husband with one very important question. The DIY queens had a blast during their girls' night, until Mrs Hinch's phone rang. 5. Stacey and Mrs Hinch were having such a good time together. Credit, Instagram. 5. They forgot about the time, and Mr. Hinch wanted to know if his wife was coming back home. Credit, Mrs Hinch/Instagram. It was her husband Jamie, and he had one burning question. Mrs. Hinch's husband wanted to know if she was moving into Stacey's home because it was past midnight and she still wasn't back. The duo were on Stacey's Insta stories doing quiz questions in their loungewear, having a blast when Mrs. Hinch's phone rang. Mrs. Hinch said, "I think it's Jamie because it's 12:30 and I'm still here." Speaking to Jamie on the phone, she said, "I haven't moved into Stacey's, no. I'm just not leaving." The cleanfluencer, real name Sophie Hinchliffe, joked, "I think I'm going to stay here tonight. All the best." Stacey, 32, who shouted out "Sorry, Jamie," captioned the video, "We've been playing this game so long that Mr. Hinch was about to send a search party." Meanwhile, Stacey has revealed she has built an incredible home bar built using bits she bought on Amazon. She has been busy transforming fiancé Joe Swash's room in her incredible £1.2 million Essex pad. Earlier this week, Stacey said that she was in the middle of giving the soap star's man cave a makeover, and had plans to make him his very own mini bar. Today she updated fans with the progress with a video on her Instagram story. The Loose Women star told her 4.9 meters followers, "This is why I didn't finish the drinks area yesterday. It took me 2 hours to saw a bit of this beam off because DIY Dave, aka my dad, won't leave his power tools here because he doesn't trust me." Stacey then explained step by step how she made the bar. The TV favorite said, "So I screwed the beam inside one of the cupboards and screwed my glass holder I used to have in my old kitchen to the beam. To complete the space, she got her hands on a fancy bottle spirit dispenser." She continued, "Then I bought one of these drink thingies off Amazon. None of us drink and I don't trust our teenagers, so they're filled with cordials." Stacey also put a mini fridge in one of the cupboards for cold drinks. The mom of four shared a picture of the end result on her story with the caption, "Joe's Juices. I'm going to try and engrave the beam or something." On Thursday, Stacey told her followers that she was going to be spray painting the Cluedo room in Pickle Cottage, which is Joe's games room. 5. Stacey had a blast doing quizzes with Mrs. Hinch. Credit, Instagram. 5. Mrs. Hinch's husband Jamie wanted to know when she was coming home. 5. Stacey is a proud mum of 4. Credit, Instagram. The DIY queen told fans she had built a bar for her fiancé Joe. Stacey shot to fame on The X Factor.